Stuck lid on your WMF Perfect Plus pressure cooker? Don't force it. Here's a safe and simple guide to get it open without damage. Step 1. Let it cool completely. Wait until the cooker is completely cool and no steam is escaping. Pressure lock mechanisms won't release while the cooker is hot. Step 2. Check the valve. Make sure the pressure valve is fully down. If it's stuck up, tap it lightly with a spoon to help it settle. Step 3. Gently twist the lid. Hold the handles firmly and twist the lid slowly. If it doesn't move, do not force it. Step 4. Use warm water, if needed. Run warm water over the lid for 1 to 2 minutes. This can help release pressure buildup inside the seal. Warning: never open a pressurized cooker. It's dangerous. Make sure all pressure is released before trying any method. You did it. Your cooker is open and ready for the next meal. Like and follow for more smart kitchen tips.